Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome back. Today, we're talking about something every skincare lover dreams of: glass skin. That smooth, clear, luminous look that almost looks like your face is glowing from the inside out. And here's the best news: you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on luxury serums or treatments to get it. You can achieve it naturally, right at home, using simple habits, smart routines, and a few affordable ingredients you probably already have. The foundation of glass skin is a clean canvas. If your skin has dirt, makeup, sunscreen, or pollution sitting on it, no matter what you apply, it won't look radiant. Start with a proper double cleanse. First, use an oil-based cleanser or even pure natural oils like coconut oil, jojoba oil, or olive oil. Massage it gently into your skin for about 60 seconds to melt away makeup, sunscreen, and oily buildup. Then use a gentle water-based cleanser that suits your skin type. Foaming ones are great for oily skin, while cream cleansers work better for dry skin. Double cleansing doesn't mean harsh cleansing. Be gentle so you don't strip your skin's natural barrier. One big reason skin looks dull is because of dead skin cell buildup. These old cells block light from reflecting evenly on your skin. Exfoliate just enough. Too much can cause redness and irritation. You can use a gentle chemical exfoliant like lactic acid or fruit enzymes once a week, or make a simple natural scrub at home by mixing honey with finely ground oats or sugar. Honey hydrates and kills bacteria, while oats soothe your skin. Massage gently for about 30 seconds and rinse with lukewarm water. Hydration is the secret weapon of glass skin. This isn't just about applying moisturizer, it's about keeping your skin's water levels high from the inside and outside. From the inside, drink 6 to 8 glasses of water a day, and eat water-rich foods like cucumber, watermelon, strawberries, and lettuce. From the outside, after cleansing, use a hydrating toner or rose water while your skin is still slightly damp. Think of your skin like a sponge. It holds water better when it's slightly wet, not completely dry. A Korean skincare secret is to layer lightweight hydration instead of just one heavy cream. Apply a toner first, then a hydrating serum with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or snail mucin, and finally seal it in with a lightweight moisturizer. This layering helps your skin stay plump and glassy. You can also pamper your skin twice a week with a homemade mask. A favorite recipe is 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon honey, and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply to clean skin, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Aloe vera hydrates and soothes, honey gives a natural glow, and lemon brightens. But if your skin is sensitive, skip the lemon or dilute it more. After hydration, you need to lock it in. Natural oils like rosehip oil, sweet almond oil, or a small amount of shea butter can help protect your skin barrier and keep moisture in. Always apply in gentle upward motions to improve circulation and prevent pulling at the skin. Sun protection is a non-negotiable step. Sun damage is one of the fastest ways to lose your glow. Even indoors, UV rays can affect your skin through windows. Wear a sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every morning. For a natural option, choose a mineral sunscreen with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours if you're outside. Your lifestyle plays a huge role too. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Your skin repairs itself while you rest. Reduce processed sugar and fried foods, which can trigger inflammation and breakouts. Include skin-friendly nutrients like vitamin C from citrus fruits, vitamin E from nuts and seeds, and omega-3 fatty acids from fish or flax seeds. Stress also shows up on your skin, so try meditation, light exercise, or even a few minutes of deep breathing daily. For an extra boost, give yourself a 5-minute face massage before bed with your favorite oil. Start from the center of your face and move outward, focusing on your jawline, cheeks, and forehead. This improves circulation, helps your products absorb better, and relaxes facial muscles so you wake up looking fresh. The most important thing is to be consistent and patient. Glass skin doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of daily habits that build up over time. If you stick to these steps, you'll start noticing smoother, brighter, healthier skin that glows naturally. Remember, glass skin isn't about being poreless. Pores are normal. It's about keeping your skin healthy, hydrated, and cared for, so light reflects beautifully. So try these steps, enjoy the process, and watch your skin transform naturally. That's it for today's Glow Guide. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more natural beauty tips, and drop a comment telling me which step you'll be trying first. Stay glowing, stay confident,